Check out the tech tree.
Oh yeah.
Okay, nothing's new on the tech tree.
Hey, can somebody give me a mega flashlight?
Wait, oh no. Man, that fire is pretty big. What is that?
Yo guys, I need backup! I need backup at force! I need back! What do you need? Wait, I'm coming.
It's like Attack on Titan. Never mind. Let me.
I'm in the forest. Where are you? Forest.
What dear mom?
No, who said they needed backup?
Come here! Oh! I died.
Boys, I think we got him! Boys, I think we got him!
I think it just turned daytime.
Yo guys, I think we...
Okay. This will work. Trust me. I can get my loot back.
No! Mom,
Go, 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 go.
we need some...
I don't know.
Hi.
I got you!
99 days in the...
What are you doing?
Hey. Yes, he gave up. Let me put on my hit.
Where my RPGs go? They're still here. They're still here.
Oh, I'm flying. Well, I guess. Okay, I guess let's just. Let me just fly.
Ow!
I'll ride it back. Oh, up and away!
Yeah, I
Bruh.
Hey.
What the heck? Now give me my box. Come here, chicken!
am. We done forest. If you want to...
Give me the chicken. Come on! Yes! Come on.
Damn, that did nothing. That did nothing. My chicken.
Yes. Go, go, go! No! Not in the fire! Okay, good.
So he's unkillable.
Run, chicken, run! Go! Run like the wind, bullseye. Oh my god, no! Chicken, run faster!
Somebody spawned me here.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Okay.
Bro, where's the fuck?
I'm in.
Hi.
King, go to the
Get off of me! Oi, can you top tree? Give me this.
Hey, so go you hit the door.
Kobe! You didn't see that.
Shut your fucking